Well, it's been like a few weeks since I've played this game. Where is it? Bedwars. I haven't touched this game in like 2 weeks, so yeah, it's kind of getting boring. I feel like I want to keep playing it though. I'm gonna be determined to keep on playing it or something like that. I don't know. All right. Let's see what this brand new update is. Wait, I see the lucky block back on the icon. Wait, does that possibly mean Lucky Block is back? Please, please. Tell me Lucky Block is back. Patch notes. Okay. You're all caught up. So we looked at this one last week. I think I joined once just to like play with my friend, but I didn't. I forgot that there was actually an update. Lucky Block version 2 plus ranked Q beta. Wait, what? Let me read these. Lucky Block is back with tons of new items. Expect regular updates to Lucky Block 2. Oh, that's actually so sick. Let's actually play that. There are too many challenges to list. You'll have to discover them yourself. Oh, no. Ranked Q beta. We've added a new ranked queue with skill matchmaking. Win games to rank up and compete against the best players in Bedwars. I'm down. Here are the 6 ranks. Climb through, yeah. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, nightmare. Oh, that's cool. The ranked queue is limited to players with. Wait, what? Oh. Oh. Wait. Wait, so I have to like buy it or something? Wait, what? Wait, are there any new kits? Oh, I saw that in the patch notes. Wait, let me see if I can look at the kit in the patch notes. Oh yeah, Axolotl army, or I mean Amy. It looked like army for a second. Use your pet axolotls to empower yourself and nearby teammates with shields, increased attack damage, and faster break speed into health regen. Okay, I guess I already purchased season 2, obviously. I've never seen an axolotl before. Here, wait. Are those real? Are those real things? Oh gosh. Oh, they are real things. Oh my gosh, they're kind of cute, but like they're creepy. They live underwater. Oh gosh, I never want to see one of those. No. If I go underwater and if I see one of those, like if I ever go scuba diving, which I probably will in my life, because it doesn't sound really that fun to me, but like my parents are gonna probably make me go at one point. If I see one of those, I'm out. Okay, if I have to leave my parents, I'm just out. I'm just like no. But as you can see, my cursor is over this button right here, and also as you can see, I have a little bit of Robux. So Robux plus coal equals not being able to save Robux, which means he has to spend it on stupid stuff. So yeah, let's buy this kit, I guess. Yeah, we bought the kit. Let's go. Purchased. Nice. So if we go to our kit section over here, we have this. Use kit skin. No one does that anymore, but I don't care. Also, yeah, I got this brand new cinnamon thing right back from like a Robux gift card, and I just got a bunch of stuff. It was the easiest $20 of my life, let me tell you. If we get to like 500 subscribers, like in like 2 months, I might tell you. Just kidding. 300 subscribers in 1 month. Also, it's Maddie. Where's that Bedwars montage? I was just wondering. Lucky Block teams of 4. Okay. Popular. Oh no. Oh god. Beta season. Do I have to like pay for this? I'm gonna go into Lucky Blocks for now. I'm gonna see what the new kit is all about. The newest kit. It's not Trinity anymore. It's this man. Also, I was thinking about maybe buying Barbarian, but I'm not sure. Is it even good anymore? Like I'm not sure. Hey there. Also 2v2 I think is still here, right? No, it's not. Never mind. I lied. Alright, we're in the game. Time to test out this new kit and new items. Yeah. Just pretend I know what I'm doing. What the heck? What is this kit design? You have like 15 water kits already. You have like the Fisherman, you have Pirate Davy, you don't need another one. This is like the third one. Okay, but like off the bat, the kit doesn't look too bad. I mean, I feel like, based on the description, this is going to be one of those kits that you'll regret buying. That's really bad. I just noticed I'm by myself! Are you kidding me? Oh, finally, at least I have someone. Oh, he's a noob, of course he is. Oh gosh. What's my life? Oh yeah, I have TikTok now. So yeah, go follow me. It's Flamingo Shark Gamer 2. Please don't ask about the name. It's really cool. And it's the icon. That's my dog. You'll just see like a big dog right there. It's like my dog. Yeah, it's really cool. Anyways, do we have to like buy these axolotls or whatever? Oh yeah, I forgot the shop looks so much different. Oh yeah, here we go. Shield axolotl 20. Whoa. It's around me. Oh, okay, cool. That's interesting, I guess. Yeah, let's go for the shield axolotl. So like, wait, what is this thing again? What is it? I forgot what this is. I think this is like damage axolotl. Just so this helps me do damage. Oh, that's pretty cool. Need to get some blocks as well. Let me get the shield axolotl because I don't want to die. And I'm going to get myself some blocks. So oh my gosh, it's 50 iron. I'm actually gonna buy armor. Armor is probably better than dome shield, honestly. Alright. No, you know what? I'm just gonna buy blocks. I want to see these brand new items. And then, oh my gosh, teammate is not camping Jen for once. So funny. Okay, let me actually save up for this shield axolotl because I want to see if these things are good. Because I don't want my Robux to be wasted. I probably should have just watched a video on this, but like, no, I can't save my Robux. It's just a thing. I have a disability called like not being able to save things. It's probably gonna impact my life when I can't save money. So far I've barely spent any of my own money so far, so I kind of feel good about myself. I'm saving it a lot for college, but like that's a story for another time. Damage axolotl. We got 2 oh god. Oh, I thought that was. Dang it. Yeah. Hopefully this. Wait. What was that? Shield axolotl. Yeah. Was that shield or damage? Yeah. I'm gonna build. Yeah, you have to jump up here. Okay. Aha. Yeah. There. Jump, dude. Jump. Don't make me. Oh my gosh, I hate this guy so much. Dude, what the? What's your problem, bro? What's your problem? Hey, yo, what's your problem? What's the problem? No, mine. That. No, that's mine. Pie. Yes. Give me speed hacks. Nom. Alright, nice. I have speed hacks now. Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh gosh, we got another lucky block. Probably just gonna go ahead and open that. Let's see what he gets. If he gets a rage flare, I swear. Oh, okay. I could still open it. My lucky block. No. I got. What is that? Is that a jade hammer? Is that seriously a jade hammer? I think you just got a jade hammer. You're welcome, bro. I forgot I blocked. I'm so stupid. We got emerald. There's a bunch of lucky blocks over there by that island. Oh, how convenient. Another lucky block. Get me over there right now. I need all of the lucky blocks. I need all of these blocks that are probably lucky. Oh my gosh, I got a shield. Best item in game. Oh my gosh, I'm protected now. No, this thing's so useless. We're gonna like throw this thing back here. Dude, no. Put shield back. Yeah, like that. Let's do whatever that did. Okay, another lucky block spawned at our base. Two at our base. Nice. Dum. What did I get? Oh, I thought that gave me an axolotl. 2 emeralds. Okay, not bad. Not bad. I want to see some of the new stuff though. Like apparently there's a bunch of new stuff. Oh, you get over here. What do I get? What's that? What is that? Wait, what is that thing? Wait, what? Wait, what the heck is that? Wait, how am I supposed to get that? Yeah, you fight that bacon here. Are you kidding me? Dude, that guy's an auto-clicker, are you kidding me? I hate auto-clicker idiots. What's this? 4? What is this thing? What the heck? Is that? Oh, it's like the spear from the new kit. That's cool. Get speared on. Die! Hacker alert! I hate this so much. He's literally using an auto clicker. Dude, I got red. Yeah, what the heck? What the heck just happened? Alright, so I've been looking off camera for some lucky blocks, and yeah, I've opened a few more. I got some interesting stuff. First of all, I got a jade hammer. We're not gonna mess with that though, because like I also got some diamonds. Don't want to lose those. Wait. Oh, it doesn't lag you back. Let's go. That actually helps out so much now. Alright, where can we go? Where can we go with this thing? Yeah, I'm gonna risk it. Alright, nice, we made it. Oh gosh, our shield axolotl. Wow. That actually helped. I also got a big shield potion. Oh, blue man. Throw the thing. Yeah, take the thing. Take that, nerd. Get nerded on. Oh, I got nerded on, actually. Yeah, I had to throw one of those, like, pumpkin oil things. Oh, I still have my axolotls, and this guy's still camping on Jen, believe it or not. Oh my gosh. Oh, lucky block. Give me a rage blade. It gave me a trap. This is like the two traps. Still does not make a difference. Like, it just doesn't make a difference. You try coming to our base, you're gonna get trapped. Yeah. Watch this. We're gonna trap these guys so hard. You're gonna get trapped, noobs. You're obviously not gonna just walk past it. Bees. Okay, there's bees over there. It's a lucky block. There's another lucky block. I want the lucky blocks. Can I climb that? No, I can't. Can I? No. Dude, what the? No. This is such a weird map. Okay. I have a solution. We do this, and then we jump on this, and then we fail very dramatically. You purchase break speed? Oh my gosh. Purchase like armory or something. Like break speed sucks. Are we on blue? No, we're not. I need to get away from there. Hopefully my axolotls will protect me. You suck, bro. Get off. Dude, wait, am I on right? I'm on green. What? Wait, what? It didn't let me damage him. Well, that's fun. It's super fun. Fun, exciting, axolotl. What's the next axolotl? Ooh, dibs. What is that? Thanks. You just gave me unlimited power. These noobs don't know what's coming. Stupid red guy. He's gonna pay like $15 million or something like that. I don't know. I didn't write this script. All right. Shoot the outsider thing. That did not work. My traps are gonna stop you, of course. Why can't I hit this guy? I think he's hacking. I'm in so many games with so many different hackers. Yo, what's up, blue? What's up, blue? Hey, you wanna get crossbowed? Blue, you wanna get crossbowed? I wanna crossbow blue. Where are they? Oh, whoa, red. Let me crossbow you. No, they didn't let me crossbow them. Get crossbowed, yeah! Get crossbowed, I did something. And I still didn't get that kill. Wow. I feel so proud of myself that I didn't get a kill. I need blocks. I need to get over to the other side, that's what I need. Okay, let me just delete all of these. Okay, I see. Delete this. And delete that. Alright, and now we're talking. Axolotl. Oh, the lucky block upgraded bed alarm. That helps so much. I love this game. Hi guys.